In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put artist on Instagram bio. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on your iPhone or your computer too. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you click on this button right here on your photo, and you need to click at the top right corner on these three lines right here. So click on top and select the first option, settings. Okay, with this icon, settings, you click on top, and here you will see several options. Okay, but the option that interests us is account, so you need to swipe down and click on account. Then you swipe down again and click to switch your account type. Okay, so you need to click on this option and switch to a business account. In my case, it's not here because my account is already a business account. So here are to switch to a personal account and creator account. But you need to click to switch to business account. After doing that, you confirm your action and you come again to your profile. Then you click on edit profile below professional dashboard. So edit profile, swipe down again, and here you will see category. So below page, category, you click on top, and here you will search artist. So search artist, click on top, and here you need to turn on this button. Okay, turn on this button, display on profile, confirm your action again, and that's it. You already put artist on Instagram bio. I hope I helped you on how to put artist on Instagram bio. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.